I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use jump leads to start a car. First, park both vehicles in neutral or park and turn off their engines. Confirm both batteries are 12 volts. Position the cars within 10 feet of each other, ensuring they don't touch. Always wear safety glasses and gloves to protect against potential battery acid or sparks. This initial preparation is crucial for a safe and successful jump start. Now let's connect the positive leads. Take one red, positive clamp and attach it firmly to the positive terminal of the dead car's battery. This terminal is usually marked with a plus sign. Next, take the other end of the red cable and connect its positive clamp to the positive terminal of the working car's battery. Double-check that both connections are secure and tight to avoid any accidental disconnections. Next, we'll handle the negative connections. Attach one black negative clamp to the negative terminal of the working car's battery. This terminal is typically marked with a minus sign. For the other end of the black cable, connect it to an unpainted metal part of the dead car's engine block, away from the battery. This creates a safe ground and helps prevent sparks near the battery, which could ignite hydrogen gas. With all connections made, start the working car's engine and let it run for about 5 to 10 minutes. This allows the dead battery to receive some charge. After this period, try starting the dead car. Once it successfully starts, carefully disconnect the cables in the reverse order you connected them. First the black from the dead car's engine, then the black from the working battery, followed by the red from the working battery, and finally the red from the now started car's battery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.